Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're going to be doing another unboxing. Yes, another unboxing. This time it's not Kickstarter, it's one I bought from, of all places, Amazon. And it's an expansion for a game I have all the other games that have been released for it, all the other expansions. I think there's one I'm short of for one of the games, but it's a game I love. Wingspan. This is the Americs Expansion, and there's a little more in it than just the normal cards that we have. So let's just slit that and we can have a look at the back. And it says, this expansion explores the birds of Mexico, Central America, South America and the Caribbean. This incredibly biodiverse and abundant region is home to more than 3,000 bird species, including the birds with the smallest and largest wingspans in the world, the bee hummingbird and the snowy albatross respectively. Hummingbirds make up about 1/10 of the bird species in Latin America, delighting bird watchers with their quick movements and shimmering feathers. We highlight them in this expansion with a special deck that adds a twist to the gameplay. So, as for components, 111 bird cards, 40 hummingbird mini cards, 5 double-sided gold tiles, 1 hummingbird garden board, 5 player map overlays, 5 hummingbird tracks, 25 hummingbird tokens, nectar tokens, 8 bonus cards, updated reference tile, scorepad, updated nesting box label, Americas, 18 automa cards and 2 rulebooks. And it just so happens I have the nesting box, so I don't know what that thing is. So let's have a look in here, shall we? And what's this? Importance. Please use this instead of the included reference tile, which is missing the important text that you only discard nectar when playing with the Oceania expansion. Okay, so there we go. So we just need to, is this a sticker? Or is it just something we play on? I don't know why they had to do this. I've not a clue. Never mind, I can't see it being a sticker. Wingspan, America's expansion. So it shows you everything we have on here. And then we have the usual setup. Benefits the hummingbirds. We have gameplay. We have hummingbirds, birds. What that ever means, I don't know. We have things about the nectar, optional variants for a shorter game, end of round goals, bird classifications, and there we are. That's what we have as the rulebook, as per usual. Really nice. What do we have here? The Americs Expansion Automa rules. I don't use Automa when I'm playing Wingspan. I just find it a bit irritating. But what I should do, as I have done before, is use the components list in the rulebook to work out what everything is. Do we have components on the front? So we have, what's these? Let's have a look. These are the hummingbird tracks. So you get 1 per player. Apparently you can play this without the hummingbirds. Thankfully, because this adds a little bit more to the game. So I'm presuming you could add 2. Let's put that to one side. We have a score sheet. Here we are. Automa on one side, multiplayer on the other. We have this board here, which is the hummingbird garden board. And on the back, same thing. Now I recognise that as a bird of paradise. I recognise that as a fuchsia. And I recognise others I recognise that one. I had some of that growing in my back garden. Obviously dandelions. I'm not sure what these other ones are, but I do recognise them, but I just don't know the names. We have another tray, which is nice. We have these 5 overlay cards for the player boards that we can use. There we go. Don't know what the actual difference is. This one is for when you're playing the Oceania gate board, which has the nectar, and this one is for when you're not using the Oceania cards. That's that bit. And here we have the divider card for the nesting box, the Americas, yeah. Nectar cards, and some, what do you call it? End of round bonus cards. And I'm not sure whether that is the thing I'm supposed to overlay. So, use random bird powers, discard any unused nectar, score end of round goal, remove all action cubes, discard and replace all cards in the bird tray with the garden. If round 4 is over, use game end powers, otherwise pass the first player token. It's exactly the same as what's here. It's just slightly different formatted. Oh well, weird. I'll leave it down there. We also have in this little bag, let's pop this away, put this out of the way, and we can open this bag and tip things out. What do we have? Well, we have some eggs. They'll go in with the other eggs. And we have these things which are for the hummingbird actions. We have, what are they called? Hummingbird tokens. So we have like a diamond. We have, not a diamond. I can't remember, can't think of what these actually are. Diamond, water droplet, some other form of gem, a purple star kind of thing, and a yellow something or other. Don't know what they're supposed to be. Let's get them. Let's get one of each out and have a proper look, shall we? And just the yellow one that we need now. And I've just dropped it on the floor. Hopefully it's not rolled under anything and I can find them. So it's probably supposed to be whatever's at the bottom of the cards. So yeah, we get a diamond. I don't know what that is. A piece of fruit or something. An emerald. Some form of star. And a bee. That's what it's supposed to be. So there we go. That's what you get. Tokens. Don't know how it's used yet, but at some point I'll find out. But we are here not to look at tokens, not to look at boards. We are here simply for the cards. So let's have a look at these ones. These, I believe, would be the hummingbird cards. So we have, first of all, the Automa hummingbird card. And then more Automa cards. As I say, I don't play Automa with a Wingspan. I just can't get to grips with it. But let's have a look at the Hummingbird cards. There's got to be some beautiful images in here. I wonder if that orange thing could be nectar. This. I wonder if it's supposed to represent nectar. I don't know. But what I do know is, as usual, these cards are beautifully illustrated. That's why, one of the reasons I do love this game. It's a brilliant game. I really enjoy playing this game. And these cards make it so much more appealing for me. So I'm not showing everything at the moment. Let's have a look at what we have in these. I'll just show a few from these cards because, yeah, if you're interested in getting this, you'll see them eventually. But yeah, some of the cards and some of the birds you may recognise, others you may not. But oops, let's raise this a little bit so you can see what I'm looking at. Yes, blue-footed booby. There we go. As I say, I'm not going one by one through the cards. I have done earlier on, but we'll just try and get through as much as we can so you can see what there is. Loads. Love this game. Pop that down there and we'll open this deck. Here we go. So we have Automa's Ford cards, basically more Automa cards, which again, as I say, I don't play. But we'll pop that down there. We'll pop these down here. We have these cards, which are more of the, what they call, I can't remember, bonus cards. And these all seem to be for the Hummingbird. So if you want to play without the Hummingbird cards, anything that says Hummingbird on, I'm presuming you take out. And anything that has these token things on, you'll take out as well, because you're not using those. At least that's my assumption. I may be right, I may be wrong, I do not know. We have those, and we have more bird cards now. I do, as I keep saying how much I love these cards. I do. They've just got a really nice feel to them. They have beautiful illustrations. They have your little bits of information at the bottom, little factoids about the birds. Yeah, love it. Rockhopper penguin, white-tipped dove, yellow warbler, and the yellow-headed caracara. Yeah, so that's it. I just need to get down on the floor on my hands and knees now and try and find that token, an incredibly small yellow token that I dropped. Oh joy. It's always the really small things that I drop on the floor and have to spend 2.5 hours trying to look for. But that's just me being a clumsy beggar. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.